Hi friends, today I will explain you what is Microsoft Entra Admin Center. So for this, I've already logged into entra.microsoft.com with my email ID, and now this is your home page where you land. Okay, so it's giving you what a complete overview or a dashboard type thing feeling where you can access everything. So this is what it is giving you. And it's into many things like you can access each and everything from here. And basically checking out the quick navigation thing. So here you can check your tenant overview, all users, all group, all devices, sign in log, enterprise apps, all rules, authentication methods, and view all recommendations for Entra has given you. Your identity score would also be available here. Okay, your billing details like licenses and subscriptions would be mentioned here. So not even billing, you get into details like preview hub, see your recent releases and all, and then after from whom you can move by checking first tenant overview. In tenant overview, you will get details like your default directory, users count, tenant ID, primary domain, license, and groups, applications, devices. It's depicting you the count, what you have in your organization. Here it is going to give you alerts. So you have to check out what alerts is. Just on clicking learn more, you can move on to checking this alert. Um, then it's giving you my feed, which are merchants and all. So this is what you need to check out while accessing or troubleshooting or something, because each and everything is being given to you from Microsoft like alerts and all. So it is automatically giving you insights of what your application or your environment is just doing. Okay. So here are the feature highlights. So you can check identity protection, build a consumer app, access reviews, authentication methods, Microsoft Entra domain services, tenant restrictions. There are quick actions also. Here actions menu contains a add user, add group, add enterprise app, add any application registration. Okay, so moving on to next tab is monitoring, which is going to show you the details of monitoring of your environment, sign in, sign outs, etc. Each and every insight. Then properties. So this will detail the properties of your account. Okay. Then moving on to recommendations, what Entra has got recommendations for you. It is going to get here. And then there are setup guides also available and documentation for you to access and use the portal seamlessly. So here it is a startup setup guide. Okay, then it is passwordless authentication. Plan your self-service passwords and sync users from your organization's directory here. So there are video tutorials also, so you can access whatever information you need. It is available in your logon itself. You can move forward by managing tenants out here. You can manage tenants by checking the details, changing the details, creating tenants and all. So let it open, I'll show you up. It takes a bit of time because it's a heavy photo. A lot of CSS and all is happening out here. There's a error, I believe, and I need to troubleshoot on this. So I'll let you know on this manage tenants and all. So let's see. Oh, it's gonna configure tenant for you. Here, here you can choose configuration for it. It's a workforce external. Say your authentication is supposed on external. I created a thing on external. So it's going to add authentication to your external facing apps and scale email consumers and business customers. And you can click continue here. So it's going to take you to the configuration with your tenant. But today we are not into it. So let's move on to Home tab again. And now today we are just going to review on a Home tab. Okay, so next we are going to check out users, all users. So on clicking on all users, it is going to show you what all users have been registered or created inside your organization. So here's the way to check out. I've already clicked it, waiting for the internet to respond. It's yes. Now there is some network error that is giving me. So clicking on refresh may restore issue or may not restore issue. So by clicking on this, suppose you have already moved into some direction earlier, so it is going to give you some error. Okay, it, it is giving some error like this. The portal is having issues getting an authentication token. There is some token issue that is being, happening out here. So it is giving each and every information with a link to help you out to resolve a concern. And what here we are getting? Here we are getting the manage tenant screen, and it is the screen from where you can check out what your directory architecture is. You can even mark your directory as favorite. Okay, so this is how it is giving you. Tenant type is workforce. You have already selected the workforce. Then it's moving into a different direction. Once we click on default directory, it will open the details of the default directory. So for today, what I have given you is just a brief of how we can log in into Entra and check our details. So for further feedback and details of next chapters and modules, you need to contact me in our next video. So stay tuned in with our channel. Thank you so much.